Ihlangothi lonke lamatlasi wokufundela ligirikile ngemva kwamawuruwuru wamhlapha. Kanti godu akusiso sodwa lesi sikolo imasihambisane primary school eyehlelwe ngilehlekelele. Umnyango wezefundo esifundeni uthembise ukuthi uzokulekelela ngokuletha amatlasi womhlobo wamakhamba ngendlwana.
It's February. There is no change. What hurt the most is that children have returned to full attendance. Where will our children learn?
Ebanganeni eliseduze ukusuka lapha kunesinye isikolo esinabafundi abangaphezulu kwesilinganiso esaneleko baminyana klasi linye. Umphakathi uthwenyekile.
I'm happy and also scared at the same time. I mean, the classes are very full and sometimes there's not enough space to move.
If they all come to school, it is easy for us to continue with the curriculum as it should according to the ATPs.
Umnyango wezefundo uthi sekuthunyelwe amatlasi wesikhatjhana ali-17.
We have procured mobile classrooms. In some cases, there's a staggered delivery. So other areas will finish delivery in around 25 March.
Abafundi bakulezi eenkolo bangezelelekile eenkolweni nonyaka nje.